the flowers grow. In the heart of Canada, where the seasons flow. Zone 5B's where the magic begins. With a spade in hand, let the journey spin. She's got her hands in the soil, planting dreams. In a small suburban space where the sunlight gleams. From veggies to blooms and all things green. Brampton gardeners' vision is serene. Oh, Brampton gardener, planting with love. In every seed there's a blessing from above. From the buds in spring to the frost in fall, she shares her passion, giving it her all. With 208K watching her grow. In every new video there's something to show. From tips on containers to how to prune. Her garden's a song, always in tune. Click the bell, don't miss a beat. Every plant she grows is oh so sweet. Merch to wear and links to explore. The world of her garden has so much in store. Oh, Brampton gardener, planting with love. In every seed there's a blessing from above. From the buds in spring to the frost in fall, she shares her passion, giving it her all. From red bubble to Amazon, she's got the tools. Helping others with her garden rules. Two buddies there for those on the rise, growing together under bright blue skies. Oh, Brampton gardener, planting with love. In every seed there's a blessing from above. From the buds in spring to the frost in fall, she shares a passion, giving it her all. So hit subscribe and come along the way. In this garden of life, there's more each day. Brampton gardener with a green-filled heart. In every small space, she creates her